Hello guys, welcome back My Dreams Academy. Guys, in last video I discussed about how you will get a score out of 360 in 360 right marks in biology. So guys, in this video I will discuss about the how you will get good score in a human physiology, right? Which topic is a very important under human physiology. So you know guys, the first chapter of human physiology is what? Digestion and absorption. Digestion and absorption. Guys, under digestion and absorption, you know there are two type of the digestion is there, physical digestion as well as a chemical digestion. What guys? First one is known as a what? That is called the physical digestion. Physical digestion as well as what guys? Chemical digestion. Chemical digestion. Guys, what we observed in a NEET exam, maximum question they are asking from the chemical digestion. Chemical digestion in the sense what guys? Chemical digestion in the sense digestion of carbohydrates, digestion of proteins, digestion of fats, right? Digestion of what guys? Carbohydrate, digestion of protein, digestion of fat, and digestion of nucleic acid, Out of this, in which digestion of protein is a very important topic is there, right now. So the major portion in a digestion and absorption is what guys? Chemical digestion. So this is what guys? This is about of the digestion and absorption. Second chapter is what guys? Breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. Guys, in breathing and exchange of gases, the major portion is what guys? Respiratory volume. What guys? That is a respiratory volume. They will directly ask question from respiratory volume. Second important topic under breathing and exchange of gases, transportation of gases. You know guys, in a transportation of the gases, two major topic is there guys. That is known as a what? That is called the transportation of carbon dioxide as well as what guys? Transportation of oxygen molecule, right? So this is another important topic under breathing and exchange of gases is there. Third one is what guys? Important point here, that is called the HbO2 means oxyhemoglobin association and dissociation curve. This is another important point is there under breathing and exchange of gases. And also you can learn about the respiratory disorder, digestive disorder. It is also important, but in this video I am discussing most important point under the chapter right now, not all point, most important point, right guys? Now third point is what? Third chapter is what guys? That is a body fluids and circulation. Body fluids and circulation. Guys, in body fluid and circulation, you know the first important topic is what guys? About the blood, right now. Types of blood, right now. Blood coagulation, clear. Circulation, types of circulation, structure of heart. What guys? Structure of heart, double circulation, and cardiac cycle, right now. So this is what guys? This is the most important topic, this is the most important point under body fluid and circulation, right guys? Next chapter osmoregulation and excretion, right now. Excretion and their elimination. So guys, in this chapter the major topic is what guys? The first major topic is structure of nephron. What guys? Structure of nephron, first topic. Second topic is what guys? Urine formation, and the third topic is what guys, counter current mechanism. Counter current mechanism. So these three topic we can consider under the excretion, means these are the three most important topic considered under the excretion and elimination and their elimination, right guys. If we are talking about of the fifth chapter, what if we are talking about of the fifth chapter, so fifth chapter is what guys, locomotion and movement. Guys, in locomotion and movement, you know, here we are discussing two major topic. One is known as a what guys, one is called the bones, and second one is known as a what guys, that is called the muscles. Right now, bone and muscles. So they will ask question, they will directly ask question from muscles. Actually bone is also very important point, but compared to bone, muscles are very important point under locomotion and movement. Types of muscle contraction, physiology of muscle contraction guys. What is the important point here? That is a physiology of muscle contraction. This is the most important topic is there, right? So you can just read this topic, clear. Now next chapter guys, number 6 chapter is a neural control and coordination. In the sense what guys, about of the nervous system. So guys, under nervous system, the major topic is what guys, physiology of conduction and generation of nerve impulse. This is the most important topic where students, most of the students getting confusion here right now. So it's the most important topic here. Second is what guys, types of nervous system. Out of these types of nervous system, you know, there are three type of nervous system: CNS, PNS, as well as what guys, ANS. Actually guys, ANS is a part of what, PNS, you know very well, because of the under the PNS we are discussing the 2 points is here right now. First one is known as a ANS, autonomic nervous system, and second one is known as a what guys, that is called the somatic nervous system. So ANS is a part of what guys, PNS only, right? So this is a most important topic. So under the nervous system, the most important topic is what guys, CNS, means central nervous system is there right now. Most important topic is what guys, central nervous system. Under the central nervous system we are discussing the spinal cord and brain. So brain is the most important point here right now. And guys, last one is known as a what, that is called the reflex action. And in sensory organ guys, eye and ear, right now. These are the two, another major topic is there, right? Now guys, the last one, chapter number 7, that is known as a what, chemical control. Chemical control in the sense we are talking about of the endocrine system, endocrinology. So you know guys, under the endocrinology, you know what is the endocrine system? A study of a different type of the gland and its secretion of the hormone. So 100% here we will discuss about two major point guys. First one is known as a what, glands, and secretion of what guys, secretion of the hormones. So there are different type of the glands guys, you know, hypothalamus, hypophysis, right, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland. There are a lot of the endocrine glands are there, and secretion of the hormones is also very important guys. In this chapter, the major topic is what guys, the major topic is that is a gland. And which gland guys? The first important gland is known as a what guys, that is a hypothalamus. Second is a hypophysis. Hypophysis is also known as a what guys, that is called the pituitary gland or master gland, right? And the third is what guys, thyroid gland. Pineal gland is also very important. And hormones, mechanism of the hormones action, it is also a very important topic. But under this topic guys, what you will discuss guys, under this topic what you will discuss? Under this topic must be remember the disorder, because from this chapter they will directly ask question from the disorder right now. Like for example, pituitary dwarfism is caused due to hyposecretion of growth hormone, hypersecretion of growth hormone, hyposecretion of thyroid hormone, hypersecretion of thyroid hormone. So they will directly ask question right now. So don't worry guys. Now listen one thing what I said. This is the most important topic. You will read carefully under this chapter. I am not talking about you only read that topic right now. Must be remember, every topic is important. Each line of NCERT is very important. Not like that, okay, sir is saying like that, this is an important topic, so we can read only that topic and other topic you will forget. No, every topic must be remember. You need to read each line of NCERT right now. But I am telling about, this is a main topic, means you can focus more than more here right now. That's why I am just making video for the important topic. I am not saying you left other topics, you left other chapters like that. No, this is not a purpose of video. Purpose of video, you will read each topic of the chapter, but mainly focus on this topic. Is that clear guys? So in next video guys, I will discuss the some important topic is there, not discussion of the topic. We will go through a, like for example, I will discuss about the cardiac cycle, I will discuss about the ECG, for example double circulation, like that. So for some video you can also watch from here right now, and you can clear your doubt also. So okay guys, thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.